An ailing patient from Tarapong was brought lunging on shoulders to Dolamara on Tuesday. Nearly 210 families from Indian National Congress and APHLC party joined BJP on Tuesday.
Jinthong Ronghang High School near Denarong Town under Numoti constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. The news were Theron, Headmaster of Jinthong Ronghang High School.
Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. When monsoon season begins, it is not surprising that the people of Tarapong consistently gets disconnected from rest of the district due to its deplorable road conditions. Therefore, the people of Tarapong are always compelled to leave their ailing patients for medication or the mortal remains of the deceased for cremation on their shoulders due to unavailability of good road and transport facilities. An ailing person identified as Mirdan Kilingpi, wife of Andrew Bay, resident of Sarthe-Rongphar village, falling under the jurisdiction of Dolamara Police Station, Nilip, had been incapacitated due to its week-long illness. Due to unavailability of medical facilities in Tarapong area, the people of Tarapong are forced to move to Dolamara to get their medicines. But it was reported that many lives had been lost midway due to unavailability of road, transport facilities, and health centers nearby the region. Karbi Anglong Live had covered several incidents to bring this issue into light and to ensure its reaches to the higher authority. So far, no any initiatives from the authority could be seen. But the people of Tarapong kept their aspiration alive that the government would one day review the matter and fulfill their aspiration. Therefore, they often report Karbi Anglong Live for a constant coverage on the hardships of the people of Tarapong that goes through in their life. The family of the ailing patient proceeds from Dolamara to Chokihola to seek financial assistance from the local representative Pradeep Rongpi, MSc, Nilip. And any warm-hearted individuals who wish to extend their helping hand may kindly contact Andrew Bay. Mobile number 6026805773 for more details about the ailing patient. RG Sonrongpar's report from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. The mass joining program was organized at the headquarters of BJP East Karbi Anglong on 12 July, where the Saffron Party welcomes more than 210 families from Indian National Congress and APHLC to their party at the mass joining event on Tuesday. On this mass joining event held at the headquarters of BJP East Karbi Anglong, prominent leader from the Congress Party, Sarjeng Ingti, son of Khorsing Ingti, ex-minister government of Assam, could be seen embracing the Saffron Party with his colleagues at the event.
Congress candidate Sedang nili ada bangke hai udah dia sedang nili ni dak disiplinong bangke join bangke ini remdet ajoni pensi ke bangke kali nitum dak district congress long nitum ketaman kiciun ketaman lam kecok je ketaman niom niti lah hai nitum ni cing samse ajoni se nang kidung dan kaman nitum non cuy sam ke tang election hutta nitum korkan thi mondol congress committee Hala apang ke tutang abudi tu track record bang mewe. Ajonya nilitung da district long da damlo, has state long itu alam palje election apang sita me nilitung la nitung da korkan thi mondol congress committee along nitung abudi nang la pinang ji puri nitung pun nei lo. Sina me thang ta la tung addition mane alama important na pinten. Ang itu la pusinang la le lo. Last banga election of hood nilitikan long na phi bangke abudi tumbang la Mondola body tumbangke, kapag di dunja jone, nili tumbala su tido ulo.
Likewise, the villagers who were recently evicted from Rongpangtir 4-kilometer Dipu joins BJP due to their satisfaction and well pleased to the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under the leadership of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for allotting new land and also furnishing compensation to rebuild their houses.
प्रार्थी आছিলে কংগ্ৰেছৰ প্ৰাৰ্থী প্ৰাক্তন মন্ত্ৰী খৰসিং পুত্ৰ আছে
স্যার 5 কিলো যে ইলেকশন হৈছিলে লোকসকলে কিবা স্যার কিবা কাউন্সিলৰ হ'ব কিবা হেৰি দিবনে
তেওঁলোকৰ আজি গোটেইখিনি যোগদান কৰিছে যোৱাবাৰ তেওঁলোকে এছএলচি আছে আৰু কনচিল তৰফৰ পৰা আমি টেকালীন সহায় দিওঁ 1 লাখ টকা আৰু টিং চাৰি মন্দিৰত দিয়া হ'ব আৰু মাটিও কাৰ্বি অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা ব্যৱস্থা কৰা হৈছে।
It was reported that many party workers left their former party due to unfaithful and incompetent party ideology from the party. In this mass joining program, Horen Singh Bay MP, Vidya Singh Ingleng MLA, Rup Singh Teron MLA, Dor Singh Ronghang MLA, Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Don Singh Teron, President BJP East Karbi Anglong, and many important dignitaries from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and BJP attended the program. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.